Multiple choice questions for basic accounting. So the first question is, the amount of cash received or paid during a period is not an adequate measure of the economic consequences of an organization's activities because, letter A, many activities may not involve the use of cash. Letter B, cash inflows may represent the result of activities completed in a previous period. Letter C, cash outflows may precede or follow the activities with which they are associated. And letter D, all of the above reasons are correct. According to the first question, the amount of cash received or paid during a period is not an adequate measure of the economic consequences. So, ibig sabihin, it doesn't necessarily mean that if you will receive cash or paid in cash, it is not an automatic indication or adequate measure of the economic consequences. Because, what are the reasons? Letter A, many activities may not involve the use of cash. Yes, because there are a lot of transactions that there is only an exchange of assets, but it does not necessarily involve the account title of cash. For example, you receive equipment but you purchase it using an accounts payable, so you did not pay any amount of cash. Letter B, cash inflows. When we say cash inflows, those cash that will flows inside in the corporation or your business. So it may represent the result of activities completed in a previous period. So that is also the reason. And letter C, cash outflows may precede or follow the activities with which they are associated. So the reasons why cash received or paid during a period is not an adequate measure are all of the above. Letter A, B, and C. So the correct answer is letter D. Next question. Which of the steps in the accounting cycle are listed in logical order? Letter A, when we say logical, saan dito ang sunod-sunod ang pagka-arrange? Letter A, prepare the income statement, prepare the statement of financial position, and then prepare a worksheet. It is not correct because preparation of the income statement is not the first step. Letter B, post the journal entries to the ledger accounts, prepare a worksheet, and take a trial balance. It is not also a logical order because the accounting cycle will not begin in posting the journal entries to the ledger. And letter C, journalize the closing entries, post the closing entries, and then take a post-closing trial balance. Yes, it is correct because if we will journalize the closing entries, after that, the step is we have to post those closing entries, and after that, we will take a post-closing trial balance. And letter D, make sure that all the balance sheet and income statement account have normal balances at all times. So it is not correct. Here in letter A, we have to prepare the financial statement of financial position. Then we have to prepare the worksheet first before preparing the income statement and the statement of financial position. And letter B, we have to prepare first trial balance before preparing a worksheet. Kaya hindi siya tama. So the correct answer is letter C.